my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. More bunga people, now about Regina Daniels, my darling people. About Regina Daniels just by mama a new fine, as in the car part 2 not there when he buy for a mama, so he is not a surprise in mama. Now the matter will just full everywhere now. I say if I not tell my people waiting again, I have to come share the good news. So now say this one now good news, correct good news, like correct ogbonge news. Now say ma I can't tell my darling people say Regina don't do another one again. No, Regina don't do another wonder again. You know, if mama they are alive, they're supposed to enjoy children. You understand? And he not be saying, well, you don't me, I come begin they do big party, begin they do this one. And I see some people, though come they do big party for their power, be say they not even do birthday for one day. We not see birthday for Facebook one day. But if the man come you can see the way children now come they do burial, like say na party, like say na marriage, now that they do. But that maybe that meat, that goat will not kill now, you know it away in their life. But as mama, as your family see they supposed to enjoy you. You understand? See Regina now, he buy better fine car for a mama to surprise am. Is that not a good thing? Is that not a sweet thing? Like na better pikin na Regina be. So I'm so happy for the mother. Say you get better pikin wey be say they always they do everything for you. The other time is he buy house for you. You know, I would not say a husband na rich man. So all those things where they do for you, God go bless her. God go bless Regina. Not be all children they remember their mama. If everything they okay for them, not be all children they remember their mama. You see the way Regina now tell remember his mama. He surprised the mama for her birthday. Whether na birthday she can't do or not be birthday, but he surprised his mama buy car like for his mama. Like seriously, my people, I am so happy for Regina mama Rita Daniels. I'm so happy for her. I am so happy, like seriously. So my people, more now join me celebrate Regina mama because it no easy for pikin to buy correct ogbonge car for a mama. It no easy. So I am so happy for the mother. I am so happy for her for you to get better pikin like Regina. So this video go too long, my darling people. Now say make I come celebrate the car. I come join am celebrate the car. Una know say if we not celebrate and wetin we gain. Wetin we gain So my bonga people na the matter where they grand and I be this one. Thank you, my darling people. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye, everybody. Bye.
$15 million now. What a wonderful product. Let's stand up. Give us space. Showers like a dog.